Hello and welcome to Science Duck. This fun learning channel will teach you lots of cool experiments. Some you might even be able to do at home. But before we get started, please subscribe, like and share. Let's get started. Science, science. So, the experiment we're going to be doing today is paper helicopters. So, to make this you'll be needing a pencil, paper clips, a ruler, scissors, remember always to have an adult near, and a piece of paper. So, to make this, we will need your ruler and your pencil. First, in the middle, draw a horizontal line. And then another below it. Like so, almost like a large equal sign in the paper. Once you've done that, draw a vertical line going down it straight through the middle. It's like a large T. Once you've drawn that, draw two more in between that line, starting from the bottom of this line here. Once you have drawn the shape of your helicopter, cut along this line until this point and this point. And then along this vertical line. There. You've nearly made your helicopter. It won't look like it yet. So what you do is see these flaps here, fold them along these lines. Whichever way you fold them doesn't really matter as long as they're folded. Then once you've cut the excess bit of paper. Then put it straight in the bin. Once you've cut the excess bit of paper, use one of your paper clips to secure the flaps. Once you've added paper clip, fold these bits of paper in oppositing ways. Like so. You've made your helicopter. So, the next part in this fun experiment is actually testing our helicopters and see how they fly. And in doing so, we'll be needing multiple helicopters with different designs on their wings, like tassels, holes, and zigzaggy edging. What we will be testing is how fast they fall. Whichever one is slower has more air resistance within its wings. So, let's get testing. Ready, steady, drop. That was 1.16. 1 second exactly. Holes we have 1.12 and the zigzaggy edging. One second. So out of all these different designs on the wings, the helicopter with the most air resistance is actually our original one, the one with nothing done to its wings. So, to sum up this experiment, out of all 4 of these wings, nothing beats the normal untouched wing. Out of all of them, this one has the most air resistance and is the slowest, out of 1.16 seconds. And remember, when you do this experiment at home, jazz it up a little. You don't just have to do it standing on a chair like I did. You could do it on the kitchen table, on your bed, or, to annoy them, on your parents' shoulders. And remember to have fun whilst doing it. If you capture your experiment on videos, please don't forget to share it on the comments below. See you next time on Science Duck!